All right, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you some questions. Do you like talking with people?
Yes, of course. I'm an extrovert person, so being an extrovert, I really enjoy talking with people. And in fact, I'm the kind of person who initiates conversations with
Who
people.
initiates?
Initiates conversations with people I met for the first time, or even if I know them, or if I'm meeting with them for the first time.
All right. How do you like spending time with your friends?
I like to spend time with my friends at my home because it is the place where I feel the most comfortable to talk my heart out with them. So, other than my house, I would prefer to go out shopping with them.
All right. Would you prefer to study alone or with others in a group?
I would rather prefer to study alone because it is easier for me to concentrate when I'm by myself.
All right. This is a short answer. You need to add some
Okay.
more actually.
Okay, should I?
All right. Let me ask you another question, then you can add some more. Do you remember a time when you needed to cooperate with others?
Yes. When we are working in groups, it's very important for us to, have a mutual respect and a level of understanding with each other. So there's this one time I remember when I had to arrange a group meeting for my work. So I had to connect with my group members, and it was due to our level of understanding and cooperation that we were able to meet the meeting objectives
All right.
successfully.
Do you prefer to spend your free time with family, friends, or alone?
I would prefer to spend it by myself alone because I hardly get time for myself. So when I would get that opportunity, I would rather spend it by myself, and I would have that relaxing time.
All right. Okay, thank you. Now let's move on. The topic is pets and animals. What is your favorite animal? Pet animal or domestic animal, whatever?
Okay, my favorite animal as a cat as is a cat because of its beautiful skin and fluffy body and colored eyes, and the most important thing of its childish behavior. And I think it is not harmful animal, so it is my favorite.
Yeah, so that is why cat is my favorite animal. Try to connect your ideas together. Okay?
Okay.
All right, let's go on. What is the most popular animal in your country?
Okay, in my country, people have interest in many animals, but as a cat, I think cat is most popular between among the people in my country because cats are not harmful and easy to keep in small houses also. So people like them more, and a cat is also the favorite animal of children. So it.
Yes, so to answer your question, in my country, cats are very common as a pet
Common,
animal,
yes.
like that. Okay. All right, let's go on. Have you ever had a pet in your house?
No, I had not any pet
I have never
before.
had any pet.
Okay. I had never.
I have
I have
never
never
had.
had any pet before, but when I keep a cat, I am interesting as a.
No, but if I keep a pet in the future, I would love to keep a cat, especially Persian cat, because I like them. So to answer your question, I've got no experience with any sort of pet until now.
Okay.
See, conclusion, one last sentence is very important. It joins your ideas to the main question. Okay, let's go on. Where do you prefer to keep your pet? If you have a pet, where would you prefer to keep it? Indoor or outdoor?
Okay, if I have a pet, I will keep it indoor because it can get any cold or hot.
It can catch cold.
Too hot or too cold outside, and it will be a chance to lose it.
There will be a chance that I might lose my
I
pet.
might lose my pet, so
So therefore,
it
I
is
would
easy
love
to
to.
breed it.
Yeah,
It will be easy to breed it indoor.
good.
So I will keep it indoor rather than
Yeah, I
outdoor.
would like to keep it indoor in my room instead of keeping it out. That's right. Very good. Let's just go on. Few more questions. Okay, what is the behavior of people towards animals, like positive or negative?
It depends. I think most people have positive response, but some people have negative response. Like they don't care animals.
They don't
They
care
do-
for animals.
They don't care for animals. They don't like to keep them as a pets, and they just hate them. And I think
Yes,
most
I
people.
think it depends. Some people love animals. On the other hand, there are some haters as well.
Yes.
Just like the conclusion. Okay. Overall, it's good. Just need practice and proper. What do you say? Way to answer the question. Answer directly, elaborate, and conclude your answer. Right.
Yes.
Thank you.